Did you know you may not be getting all the nutrients you need? That's right, many of us are lacking in certain areas, and that's why we don't feel our best. Abbi Linde, pharmacist and partner at Hometown Pharmacy, is here to explain why nutrient depletion needs to be taken care of. Abbi, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so first of all, how likely is it that someone is nutrient depleted?
Yeah, so I would say almost everybody is probably low on at least one nutrient. Between our food not having the same amount of nutrients in the soil and getting into the food, as well as most of us don't eat enough vegetables and protein. We don't eat the right foods. And then the other thing that happens to a lot of people that I work with is taking prescription medications can cause your body to get less and less of certain nutrients.
Okay, so what kind of medications cause these depletions? Because you say if you're on a prescription, you're likely to have a depletion, and what are the side effects of that?
So one of the ones that I see a lot is metformin. Lots of people are metformin for diabetes and prediabetes, and it actually depletes your body of vitamin B12. So that is a really well-known one, but we don't test for it, and a lot of people don't take that supplement, and it's kind of hard to get from food. Especially if you're not eating perfectly all the time, which most of us aren't. That's a really common one. The other one that I see a lot is with a statin, which is a cholesterol medication, something called CoQ10. And so that's something that if that gets depleted, you can feel achy, you can feel tired, it can kind of start to mess with your brain, kind of feel brain foggy. So that's just a list of two of so many.
So not good things. We definitely don't want that. So we actually have some supplements in front of us. How can someone use food supplements to kind of build those nutrients back up?
Yeah, so I kind of like to think of it in terms of like buckets. So whatever the reason is that your buckets are empty of vitamin D or magnesium, you can use the supplements to get you back, the buckets filled back up. But we always want to make food our primary. So we use food to hold it up there and to make sure that we, are getting all the other things from the food that isn't in the supplements. But supplements can play a really big tool if we're not able to eat those foods or if the foods alone aren't helping.
Yeah, and then Hometown has pharmacists that can help you pick the right supplements for you and give you advice in that direction. All right, Abbi, where can people find you? We love your tips.
Yeah, we have a website at hometownpharmacyrx.com, and you can find us on Facebook and Instagram.
There we go, hometownpharmacyrx.com. Abbi, thank you so much.
Thank you.